Today we're going to make these beautiful beaded earrings with pendants. I'm going to be testing out this Jumpring opener that I found on Doodles Cafe. So yeah, let's see how this actually works. Starting off with our needs or requirements, we're going to use these beautiful beads. Have a ruler on hand for measurements, your round nose pliers and chain nose pliers, 0.3mm wire, these heart pendants with these little circles at the bottom. I'm going to use love charms. Then we're going to use 3mm and 2mm jump rings. So starting off with these beautiful beads, I just have to look at this. It's so beautiful. So let's see what this can do. First off, we're going to measure our wire 30 centimeters in length. We're going to cut 2 of these to use for each pendant. Now, taking the heart pendant, we are going to take the wire through underneath and then twist around twice. And then we're going to start off with the first bead. Now the first bead we're going to take through both ends of the wire, starting off with the right hand side one, the short one, and then going through the other side with the longer end, and then putting it through the other side. And then we're going to take the short end and wrap it around until it's finished, and just make sure it's flattened onto the pendant like here. And then we're going to take the wire and take it over or under and then through the pendant upwards like so. And then we're going to take the second bead. So now we're going to start using the circles. So we're going to take this and bead it through the first circle here, and then just make sure that we tighten it. And then take the wire over, through and under. And then here we're going to add another one. So just making sure that it is at the front of the pendant so it looks like this. And then we're going to take the next one. And I'm just going to show you a close-up on the actual taking it through the little hoop. So we're taking it through the little hoop, calling it a little circle, and then you tighten it and then take it over, through again. Yes, the wire does not like me at all because it keeps on getting stuck to my jersey. Okay, there we go. Finally, just taking it like that. And then finally we can add the next ones. So here I'm just going to make it a bit faster now. Now we're going to go through the last hoop, and then I'm going to just show you a close-up of the last bead that I'm going to do. So this is the last one we're taking through the hoop, which I'm trying to do. I make it look very, very easy. And then we are going to wrap it around again, taking it through and under, and another one. Okay, now we're gonna take the last bead. Now with the other one we had it done through 2 pieces of wire. This one we're just gonna take through the one. So this time we're just gonna make sure that it is flattened the way it should be, and then wrap the rest of the wire around, and then just make sure that it is tightened towards the bead end of it. And here we've done the first pendant with beads and wire, and this is what it looks like behind. Okay, jump ring opener, I'm putting it on my finger, then taking the jump ring and then putting it through the loop, twisting it towards me. That was quite easy actually to use it. Very cool. Now we're just going to add the jump ring to the bottom hoop of the pendant. Close it off. And there we go. Now we're going to add another jump ring of the 3 millimeters one. And then we're going to also just use the jump ring opener. Oh wait, no, I'm going for the pliers. This is what I'm used to doing, by the way. So excuse that. I'm adding the charm, and then we're adding it to the bottom of the earring. Here we go. I decided to use the jump ring opener again. So we're going to put it into the gap and twist it. And then, just by the way, this is the 2 millimeter ones. We're gonna add it onto the top. And then try and close it off with the same one. And here you go, our heart pendant beaded earrings. What do you think about these earrings? Do you think they're good? Would you wear something like this? Let me know in the comments below.